Welcome back to my channel, Genie Genius. Are you ready? Let's go! Would you rather eat pizza or burger? Would you rather visit a desert or a river? Would you rather live in a city or a countryside? Would you rather be able to fly or become invisible? Would you rather have a pet dog or a pet cat? Would you rather go to the mountains or beach? Would you rather have unlimited movies or unlimited books? Would you rather explore deep sea or the space? Would you rather be too hot or too cold? Would you rather only be able to whisper or only shout? Would you rather be really tall or really short? Would you rather eat only chocolate or only ice cream for a week? Would you rather be bald or have really long hair? Would you rather be a night owl or an early bird? Would you rather be a teacher or a doctor? Would you rather have unlimited tea or unlimited coffee? Would you rather only be able to text or only be able to call people? Would you rather have a pet dragon or a pet unicorn? Would you rather eat only ice cream or only cake for a week? Would you rather be a pirate or a ninja? Would you rather only eat French fries or only eat pasta for a month? Would you rather have purple hair or green hair? Would you rather have a pet elephant or a pet kangaroo? Would you rather live in a world with no bedtime or no school? Would you rather have a talking backpack or talking shoes? Would you rather eat Nutella or Cheetos? Would you rather be able to make it snow in summer or make it sunny in winter? Would you rather live underwater or on a cloud? Would you rather always have to sing everything or always dance everywhere? Would you rather have a bubble gun or a silly string gun? Would you rather eat only red foods or only blue foods for a week? Would you rather have glowing eyes or glowing hands? Would you rather have a pet penguin or a pet monkey? Would you rather have to do math homework or clean your room every day? Would you rather live in a toy store or a candy store? Would you rather have X-ray vision or see in the dark? Would you rather have a giraffe's neck or an elephant's trunk? Would you rather have wings or a tail? Would you rather wear formal clothes all the time or pajamas all the time? Would you rather live in a tree house or a cave? Would you rather go to Disneyland or a water park? Would you rather have a personal chef or a personal driver? Would you rather find true love or win the lottery? Would you rather have no internet or no phone for a week? Would you rather have unlimited shoes or unlimited clothes? Would you rather have a luxury car or a private jet? Would you rather eat fruits or vegetables for a week? Would you rather live in a tiny house or a mansion? Would you rather have summer all year or winter all year? Would you rather have unlimited money or unlimited time? Thanks for watching.